Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are watching a new video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is a nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Five. Property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 6 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check this link. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then click on subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video.